Hey everyone, Mr. King here to run you through another PE remote learning activity. The activity I'm going to run you through today is an activity called Rob the Laundry Basket. To play Rob the Laundry Basket, you will need to find an area around your house. A space such as your backyard, your lounge room inside your house, or even your car garage, where I am today, will be the perfect space for this game. To play Rob the Laundry Basket, you will also need some equipment. The equipment you will need to play this activity includes 2 markers. So for example, some shoes, which I have in front of me here. You will need 1 laundry basket or some sort of box, as I have in front of me right here. You will then need 11 tennis balls or some kind of ball. So today, I've got tennis balls, I've got some stress balls, I've even got some ball of socks to play, okay? So making sure you have 11 different types of balls. So stress balls, tennis balls, balls of socks are fine. You will then need to find 1 family member to play with, okay? However, if you can't find anyone to play with, that is okay. You can still play Rob the Laundry Basket by yourself. And if you are going to play this activity by yourself, you will then need 1 timing device. So that is only if you are playing by yourself. If you are playing with someone, you won't need a timing device. Alright guys, I'm now going to give you some time to go find your space and go and find your equipment you need to play Rob the Laundry Basket. Off you go. To set up Rob the Laundry Basket, what you will have to do is, in the middle of the space you are using, you will set up your laundry basket as I've done so over here. Making sure that all of the balls you are using for this activity are inside of the laundry basket. Then, using your 2 markers, so for example your shoes, you will place 1 marker on either side of the laundry basket, as I've done so over here, approximately 2 to 5 meters away from the basket, depending on how big of a space you are using for this activity. Alright guys, I'm now going to give you some time to go set up your equipment for Rob the Laundry Basket. Off you go. Alright everybody, we are now ready to play some Rob the Laundry Basket. To start, each player will start on a marker or shoe, as you can see with Jordan and myself. When ready, 1 player will call out, ready, set, go. On go, both players will start running towards the laundry basket to steal 1 ball out of the basket. During the game, players are only allowed to steal 1 ball at a time from the basket. After players grab a ball from the basket, they must return their ball back to their marker before they can return back to the laundry basket to steal another ball. Players keep stealing balls from the basket until there are no more balls remaining inside the basket. When there are no more balls left, the round is over. The player who stole the most balls from the basket will be the winner of the round. Players will play 3 rounds against each other. The player who wins the most rounds will be the winner of Rob the Laundry Basket. If playing by yourself, you will play 3 rounds. Using your timing device, you will time how long it takes you to steal the 11 balls from the laundry basket, seeing if you can get a quicker time across your 3 rounds that you'll be playing of Rob the Laundry Basket. Alright guys, now that you know how to play Rob the Laundry Basket, go out and find a family member to play this game with and have some fun. I'm now going to go play 3 rounds and see if I can be the winner of Rob the Laundry Basket. Alright guys, good luck and have some fun.